Today, I'm tackling something that gets dirty fast, but often gets overlooked: your car's floor mats. With just a few supplies and a few easy steps, you can get your dirty floor mats looking clean and fresh again in no time. First things first, you'll need a few supplies. A drill with a nylon brush attachment, a cleaning agent, a pump-up sprayer, and a dry and wet vacuum. First step is to vacuum your floor mats. Thoroughly go over them to ensure all the loose debris is extracted off the carpets. Next step is to start pre-spraying your carpets with the cleaning agent. Make sure to soak all the carpets until the surface feels damp. Spray any stains that are standing out with a little extra. Once the carpets are soaked, start agitating the carpets with the drill brush. Make sure to go over the entire area multiple times. Now it's time to extract the filth out of the carpet. This step can take the longest, but be patient and slowly extract all the residue from the carpets until it's feeling nice and dry. And there you have it, some fresh and clean floor mats. Also, the same method used on the floor mats can be used on your cars, cloth seats, and carpet. Hope these tips were helpful. Share your results with the community in the comments. I'd love to see the before and after results. See you all in the next one.